Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Mehndi Love, and I'm Sharon, and today I'm there with a new video with a heavy bridal Indian Mehndi design. So watch till the end to know all the tips and tricks of this Mehndi design. I hope you watched my last video which was about henna painting, and if you haven't watched it then there is the link and it is in the description box. So watch it now itself. And if you are a mehndi artist or a henna designer or interested in henna or in henna works, or you like henna paintings or want to study about henna face portraiting, then there is a place which has all these things together, and it is my Instagram page, and it is also called Mehndi Love, that is Mehndi underscore love. So check out my page, and in my next videos I'm going to promote the people who are there in my Instagram page and who are really active in my Instagram page. I'm going to give them free shout outs through my video and also through my page. So stay tuned in my page and keep supporting. This is a typical kind of Indian henna design, and it is usually used for all the bridal henna works, especially in North India where the bridal henna is considered more important than their dress and all. And in Rajasthani and Punjabi weddings, etc., I have heard that people give more importance for this henna, and also the bride's henna have groom's name inside that, and it is like a game to find out where the groom's name is hidden inside the bride's henna. And if you're new to my page, then do one thing, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell button below. Pressing the bell button is really important because even though if you have subscribed my page, if you want to know when my videos are posted and if you want to stay alert when my videos pops up next, then you have to subscribe my channel. Not only that, you have to press the bell icon, then only you will get personalized messages and notifications of my channel videos. And also, if you are new to this channel and you are a beginner in mehndi designing and you're damn interested in this field and want to know how to start with mehndi designing and you don't know even how to hold the mehndi cone, then don't worry. There are my videos and there are my playlist which consist of even the basics like how to hold the mehndi cone, and you can check that out if you're interested, and stay tuned with my videos. I'm a kind of person who is really interested in experimenting new things, and that's why I used to experiment about new things in my mehndi designs like face portraiting, sceneries, etc., paintings and all. But I also like experimenting with different kind of organic cone and with the cones from the market. And in my previous videos I have shown how to use the chemical cones and what are the side effects of using that chemical cones, and then I also showed some cones from the market which I use in my videos, and then I showed some organic cones, and I have a very good hobby of trying out different kinds of organic cones from different sellers and finding out which is better and which is not that good. And this cone which I'm using in my video now is from the seller which is having an Instagram page called Go Green Henna. You can check it out in the Instagram. It's called Go Green Henna, and I really love this uh, henna cone, and it really has a good consistency, and I think it would get a good stain for me also. So if you're really interested, you can check their page out, and they are really good in selling hennas, and they are Kerala based, Trivandrum based. So guys, I'm gonna limit this video when the design reaches the wrist of my arm, and the rest of the video that is the rest of the design. The palm design will be in my next video, and I'm going to give a little surprise on that video because that design is not a regular one or a regular Indian design. There is a little surprise for the design, and if you're really interested to know what I'm going to do with the palm in the next video, then keep alert, stay tuned, and press the bell button which I have mentioned before so that you get the notification whenever I post a video. And that design is not a regular henna design. There is something unique I'm gonna do, and if you want to know that first, then keep stay alert for my next video. So don't forget, so I'm gonna give a little shout out like the one I have given for my henna concealer, Go Green Henna, in my next video. So who all are active on my comment box and who all are active on my Instagram page will get a chance to get into my next video. So stay tuned. Thank you. Bye. See you in the next video.